Alright folks, we are going to dig the ditch for the white pipe, which is a 3-inch. We're going to build a dam with pipe and then come down and connect into this line of chamber here. You can't see either chamber, but you can roughly see where they are. We've got a line of chamber here. We got a line of chamber right here. And that's it. And so, yeah, enjoy. Alright, let's see. Alright, can you see what he's doing there? There he is. Okay. So, he's making sure the top of that chamber is exactly level with the dirt I just dug out. And as you see, or as you could hear, it is. Alright, so we're going to come down to this chamber, and we don't have to be exact, but let me show you what we got going here. So we try to dig exactly what we need so that we are on a hard surface when we put our pipe down. Now sometimes we might dig just a teeny bit too much, and if we do, we'll just take some dirt and pack it super good to lay that pipe on it. But this one's perfect. We'll come on down, and we're going to go into the side right here. That we want perfect if we can get it. Sometimes it's a little hard. Alright, so what I've done is I've moved the excavator down to this area a little bit because I dug me a spot that's perfect here. I'm going to dig me a spot that is perfect here. And then that way I know to connect this spot to that spot, so my ditch has a good perfect angle, if that makes sense. Not really. Anyway, oh. it with your foot to see if I'm at the bottom
Yeah.
of that hole.
That should be pretty good.
Okay. All right, you can kind of see what we got going on there. And you'll see John, he'll build that dam. Yeah, and we'll fudge everything. We'll kind of dig and do what we got to do to get everything right with a shovel. So it's basically shovel work from here on out on this. But anyway, watch and learn. All right, dead battery, but we're going to try it out. Alright, we drilled the holes. Yeah. So me and John both are sick, so you'll have to bear with us getting out of breath. Not thinking correctly, I drove right past the job this morning, so see what he's doing there. Perfect. Sort of.
Yeah, it'll be alright.
Oh, I know. I'm just kidding. Alright, so I'm gonna dig some of this out to drop this.
Okay.
I need to drop this.
Ain't much. So it's about.
Let me see. Just leave it right there for a second. Okay, so I just need to dig right in here, and I'll do that with my hand. Just a little bit. Use the shovel, that'd be smart. Imagine that. Right in here?
Yeah.
Alright. Alright, let's see. See what we've done there. Alright. So I guess we're going to dry. Look at you. Oh, dude, that's going to be perfect. Look at that. So that's how we build a dam. Now you got to mess with it and fudge it and all kinds of things, but that chamber fills up. This fills up. It's got to go all the way to here, the bottom of this fitting. It's right down there, the bottom of the fitting. Once it gets up to that high, then it flows downhill. Yeah, and we'll connect her in. Sorry, I'm out of breath. All right. Folks, it's just that easy. I mean, you gotta know what you're doing, and it takes some practice to figure out that dam. But that's not the worst. Yeah. Oh, John, he's an absolute expert on the chambers, putting them in and doing these dilly whoppers. When it comes to that, I'm just a helper. I dig the ditch, and then I do all the helper stuff. Give me this, give me that. You know how it is.
done. Oh boy.
So this is what we ripped out. But we didn't do this. The crookedness, can you see the crookedness? If you look on the inside, see the separation in there? The furthest pipe in there should have been more all the way up against the thing. We did move it about a 3/16, but that was it. Anyway, I'm joking. Well, I gotta get rid of this. This just hang open over here. Right, folks, so just a quick overview. We came out of the house and we actually tapped on about right here. Now we covered this up because it does get pretty deep right there, and the septic inspector doesn't have to see that. So what we do here is we leave the pipe going into the tank uncovered. That way she can see we got our little rubber grommet on there, and we expose the pipe just in case she wants to put the laser on that. But what they normally do is they put the laser on the tees, so the inlet tee, the outlet tee. Yeah, well, now we will leave this. The screws out of these lids. That way she can do what she needs to do without any issue, without any trouble. We leave this exposed, of course. She wants to see all of this. Oh my. So it really doesn't matter the angle that this pipe is. And we leave all this exposed. That way she can run her laser on that, and she'll walk all of those chambers, making sure that they're exactly what she wants. Now, this was rough right here with this tree here, as you can see the roots. So that tree's done with. That tree will die, so yeah. So we have two 100 feet lines, and we believe that's correct. It's a formula that you use. And so anyway, boom, boom. Now if you don't know about the dam and why we have it like this, I've got a video I put up a week or two ago explaining all this. So this is what they want. So it's what they get. So folks, this one's done, except for covering up, being inspected. Done. And this one was done during the hurricane. So we dug the ditches and the hurricane dumped just an enormous amount of rain. And yeah, we couldn't work here on this job for a long time because we had to let the ditches dry out. And it doesn't get any more sun than what it's getting right now. So it's still not totally dried out. But this is it. Anyway, folks. All with that Kubota 33. All of this work that we do is with that Kubota 33, which is very small. It's small. It's a little smaller than the 40 size-wise. So you can maneuver in and out way easier, which is what we need. But then it's just as powerful. The digging force is just as powerful as that 40. And yeah. All right, we'll see you.